Hey guys, by now I know many of you have heard about Seedance 2 and have seen some amazing videos on social media created with it. Seedance is developed by ByteDance, and on its official site it's currently only available in China. It hasn't officially been released worldwide yet. I think that's happening around February 24th. There are workarounds floating around online, but some of them are complicated, and others may not be legitimate, so you need to be careful. In this video, I'll show you how to get early access on youart.ai, and I'll also compare the results with Kling 3.0. To get early access, click here. That opens a Google Sheet you'll need to fill out and submit. Once it's processed, you'll receive an email. For me, approval took less than a day. Just make sure you register or log in using the same account you used when filling out the form. They do give you credits to try it out, although in my case, I already had 100 credits before submitting, and I didn't receive the extra credits. Once you're in, create a new project and the workflow will open. You can use the agent on the right side. I'm going to close that for now. Choose your video model here. As you can see, Seedance 2.0 is listed along with many other generators. Let's select Seedance. This is the dialog box where you enter your prompt, change the aspect ratio, and the duration, which can be up to 15 seconds. You can also change the model here. And if you don't like this interface, you can switch to the traditional one here. You can add a node by right-clicking on the grid and then New Node, or go here. You can also show all nodes and view all of your assets. There are also templates from the community you can use. For this video, I'm only doing image to video, so let's click Upload. Now click Image Uploader. This will create a node where you can upload your image. I'm going to use the same image I used in a previous video about Kling 2.6. This one includes multi-character dialogue. As a reminder, here's the video Kling gave me.
Your story doesn't match the access logs. Tell us exactly why you entered that hallway.
I shouldn't have been there, but I didn't open that door. I just
Panicked and ran? Then explain why your fingerprint was found on the lock.
As you can see, the dialogue was incorrect. The cop in uniform and the suspect were saying the same thing at the same time. I'm curious to see how Seedance handles it, so I'm going to use the exact same prompt. Alright, the image is uploaded. At this point, you need to click here and while holding down, drag it to the S circle. This sets the image as the start frame. You can also add an end frame if you want. I'll just paste the prompt in the box. I didn't have enough credits for this 10-second generation, so I bought some. Here are the pricing plans. They look pretty similar to other video generators. There are also ways to get free credits, like inviting friends. Now that I've purchased more credits, let's run this. While it's generating, let's take a quick look at some of the other features. Here you can zoom in or out, fit the nodes to view, and access other options. Over here are options to in-paint the image or download it. If you click here, it opens the image so you can edit it. I'm not going to spend credits on images, so I'll close this. This attempt failed with no explanation after about 10 minutes. Let's try submitting it again. You'll see Run All here. That runs all components or nodes in the workspace, which you may not want, so make sure the node you want to run is selected. Alright, the second run was successful. My credits dropped from 1,100 to 980, so a 10-second video costs 120 credits. Let's see how it turned out.
Your story doesn't match the access logs. Tell us exactly why you entered that hallway.
I shouldn't have been there, but I didn't open that door. I just panicked and ran.
Then explain why your fingerprint was found on the lock.
Very nice. The dialogue is assigned to the correct characters, and the animation, emotion, and lip sync all look good. What you might not notice right away is how closely it followed my prompt. From the detective leaning in, to the suspect raising his head, to the final zoom on his face, it's great. Remember, Kling 2.6 couldn't get the dialogue right, so I also ran this through the 3.0 model on 11 Labs website. Here's the result.
Your story doesn't match the access logs. Tell us exactly why you entered that hallway.
I shouldn't have been there, but I didn't open that door. I just panicked and ran.
Then explain why your fingerprint was found on the lock.
This one is good too, and it's in 1080p resolution, which is higher than Seedance's 720p. It got the dialogue right, and even though it didn't end with the zoom on the suspect's face, it's still impressive. I also like how the suspect is more panicked here. Alright, for the next test, let's use this image of a couple sitting in a car that won't start. This prompt includes instructions for sound effects. Here's what Kling 2.6 gave me.
Oh, come on. Not now, just start, will you? You've yelled at it 6 times. Shockingly, it still doesn't care.
I generated this 3 times and it still didn't get it right. Either the dialogue wasn't assigned correctly, or the sound effects were missing. So let's see what Seedance can do. Now right-click on the grid, add a new node and click Video Models, then choose Seedance 2. Also, if you go here and select the hand tool, you can move the grid, or enter H on your keyboard for the hand tool and V for select. Right-click again to add another node for the image. I have everything set up. I just need to change the duration to 10 seconds. Once again, the generation failed. I'm not sure what's going on. Maybe the system is busy. I tried running it 5 times with no success. Then I removed the part of the prompt about his voice being angry, and it finally worked.
Oh, come on, not now. Just start, will you?
You've yelled at it 6 times. Shockingly, it still doesn't care.
It was almost great, except the dialogue gets cut off at the end. Without that long pause before she speaks, I think it would have worked. And here's Kling 3's result.
Oh, come on, not now. Just start, will you?
You've yelled at it 6 times. Shockingly, it still doesn't care.
I have no complaints. Next is an image of 3 anime characters. I want a high-energy fight scene with monsters as they move through the city, including some dialogue. Here's Seedance's video.
There's one!
Watch your back! To your right!
Watch out!
Here it comes! There's one! On me!
On me!
Another one!
This turned out great. The fighting, the dialogue, the music and sound effects, the camera movement, and the cut showing the monsters charging towards them. I mean, wow! It looks like something my kids would watch. The only thing missing is the moment where a huge monster is supposed to rise from the ground, but I'll let that slide. Here's Kling 3's version.
There's one.
Watch your back! To your right! Watch out! Here it comes! There's one! On me! Another one!
Do I even have to say it? Seedance's version is clearly better. It's not even close. And why does the Kling video have so much morphing? I also tried this image of a Batman-like character, but it was blocked due to copyright, even though he doesn't look exactly like Batman. ByteDance added more safeguards after pressure and legal threats from major studios, so now you can't generate videos with copyrighted characters. I created this next video using Kling 3's new multi-shot tool in design. Basically, you can create multiple shots and set their durations ranging from 1 to 15 seconds, but the total video length can't exceed 15 seconds. I used the same shots in Seedance to test whether it would follow the prompt, specifically the length of each shot. Here's the result. The video looks great and mostly followed the prompt, but I don't think it followed the timing instructions exactly. It's hard to tell, but notice the shot where the woman enters the store. It's shorter than the first shot, even though it should be 1 second longer. I wasn't sure the prompt would work anyway, but hey, I gave it a try. I also think it's funny that she leaves without her items. I guess she was freaked out by the way he was looking at her. The music fits too. It's creepy, just like the guy. To be honest, Kling didn't get the timing right either. And in the second shot, it didn't do the lateral dolly move with both faces in frame. But at least she left with her groceries. That wraps up the video. Overall, I was really impressed with Seedance 2. I've read that some third-party sites may not be using the full model, or they might be running a faster version. I don't know if that's the case with youart, but if it is, imagine how much better the full version could be. I guess we'll see. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.